A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, students, in our last class, we had started chapter 12, The Visit of Oz, second, and we had completed up to here. So, let's find out that this scarecrow will get a brain or not. So, well, he said with sigh, come to me tomorrow morning. I will stuff your head with brains. I cannot tell you how to use them. However, you must find that out for yourself. Oh, thank you, cried the scarecrow. I'll find a way to use them, never fear. But how about my courage? Asked the lion anxiously. But how about my courage? Asked the lion anxiously. You have plenty of courage. I am sure, answered Oz. ओज ने कहा दैट आपके पास बहुत सारा करेज है. ऑल यू नीड टू कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर सेल्फ. आपको सिर्फ कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है. देर इज नो लिविंग थिंग्स दैट इज नॉट अफ्रेड when it faces danger. True courage is in facing danger. When you are afraid, that kind of courage you have in plenty. Perhaps I have, but I'm scared just the same, said the lion. I shall really be very happy unless you give me the sort of courage that makes one forget he is afraid. So that lion wants courage from him. Very well, I will give you that sort of courage tomorrow, replied Oz. Oz ने कहा कि मैं वो courage आपको कल दूंगा. How about my heart? asked the Tin Woodman. Tin Woodman said कि मेरे heart का क्या हुआ? Why, as for that, answered Oz, I think you are wrong to want a heart. It makes most people unhappy. If you only knew it, you are in luck not to have a heart. That must be a matter of opinion, said the Tin Woodman. For my part, I will bear all the unhappiness without a murmur, if you will give me a heart. So this tin man wants heart. Very well, answered the Oz meekly. Come to me tomorrow and you shall have heart. I have played wizard for so many years that I might as well continue the part a longer. Now, said Dorothy, how am I to get back to Kansas? We shall have to think about that, replied the little man. Little man means Oz. The Wizard of Oz said that we have to think about that. मीन्स जब डोरथी ने कहा कि मैं कांसास कब जाऊंगी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि अब हमें इसके बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. देयर इज़ ओनली वन थिंग आई आस्क इन रिटर्न फॉर माई हेल्प, सच एज इट इज़ यू मस्ट कीप माई सीक्रेट एंड टेल नो वन आई एम अ हम्बग. उसने कहा कि आपको किसी को बताना नहीं है मेरा सीक्रेट कि मैं एक छोटा सा आदमी हूँ. अंडरस्टूड. They agreed to say nothing to what they have learned and went back to their rooms in a high spirit. Even Dorothy had hoped that the great terrible humbug, as she called him, would find a way to send her back to Kansas. And if he did, she was willing to forgive him everything. Now, then the wizard gives the scarecrow brains, the lion courage, and the tin woodman a heart. As for Dorothy, he plans to take her Kansas in a balloon. Dorothy finds Toto chasing a kitten and gets down to catch him. Before she can come back, the ropes break and Wizard floats and away alone. Her three friends try to help her reach Kansas. She, however, uses her silver shoes to return home. The Tin Woodman stays in the wicked witch land as their king. The Scarecrow stays in the Emerald City as the ruler, and the Lion goes back to the forest as the king of forest at home. Dorothy finds that her silver shoes are lost in flight, never to be found again. So, all this story ends here. Now, the message which we are getting here is wisdom, courage, and confidence within you lie within you. You must need to tap and find them. So students, your assignment is to learn these word meanings, and you have to find out the word meanings of these words written here, and you have to read these words aloud, record it, and send it to me, and the answers of these questions also, and this one also. You all have to complete the answers of this question by yourself. Actually, you have to find out, and we will complete read and answer and the exercise in our next class. Till then, take care. Good day.